I want to show you guys how to hide a name or text using Tableau. Over here, I've created this nice thing, but you can go down the list and you can kind of see the name on the side over here. I want to go ahead and get that fixed. So what's the easiest way to do this? It's to create text that looks like the background. So let's get started. First off, we're going to go to snippet. I'm going to choose the snipping tool. If you have it, make sure you click it. And when you click that, it's going to bring this up. We're just going to create a nice little square here. I think that should work, but I want it to be big enough to where, it'll actually work. I'm just going to try to kind of keep it to where it will cover that highlight customer over there, that name. So we'll just say it's this big, whatever. And then we're going to save it. And after you click save, we'll save it just in our downloads folder or wherever, whatever works for you, I guess. And then we got that there. And then after we do that, all you got to do, and this is how we're going to hide it, is we just need to insert an image. Now, how do you do that? Well, we got to create a dashboard. So let's go ahead and create a dashboard. So we're going to go over here to the new dashboard, click that. And after we click that, we're going to open up our hide name, which we made. Now, this can be with any dashboard. So you can highlight your customers, of course, and still do all that, but we're going to hide it. So there's this image category on your dashboard when you create it, and you can go over to image right here, and we click it, and we're just going to do a floating image, I think, because we want to be able to control it, right? So we're going to float it, and then we're going to drag it over here, right on top of customer, and then we're going to choose an image file, and we're going to choose the one we just made in downloads, the screenshot, and that's going to insert an image. So I click OK, and voila, we've got an image file over that. So let's go see how this actually works in practice. But first, we got to click right here, this down arrow, and click Add Show button. After you have that, it's going to allow it to hide the name. So how's this? Here's also this little thing right here, and I would just move it to a location that seems okay for hiding it, that's close maybe. So just something to kind of think about. So let's try this out. You can go right here under presentation mode, and we're going to go into presentation mode, and you can see it. And when you click here, it opens this up. Click it back. So you can see, you can highlight the customer, click it back, voila. Now, how's this work? Well, let me show you. So let's say you have it and you want to share a report, but you don't want to have the name on there for the ranking. You can hide it, of course. But when you click the download button on Tableau Public, they can just download it as an image, and then you have it. So, or Tableau, whatever server you have it on where you're sharing it. So it's very simple. Unfortunately, I can't show you the save, but just know it will now hide pretty easily. So kind of cool that you have the functionality to at least hide it and then unhide it, hide it, unhide it. And you can do this for anything. Like let's say we wanted to hide something on our ranking column, you can put an image over it and do it that way. You just need to format it on your dashboard, of course. And once you have it formatted on the old dashboard, you've got it set up and very well done. So this way you could maybe even make this graph a little bit bigger. Let's do that really quick. So you have a little bit more room. Obviously it's not formatted the greatest, but just to kind of get it kind of looking cool here and a little bit more formatted, you can see the advantages of doing this. And you hide it and then you just like take a picture of it. Now you can see that the column has a little bit of a thing there. All we need to do to fix that is go back in and go back to our dashboard, and then we just need to find the image. So apparently it's not very easy to find the image. Let's see, come on image. I just click everywhere until I find it. I don't know where the image is, which is a huge problem actually. So just be aware that you may want to actually kind of edit this a little bit better than me. But worst case scenario, I mean, we know it's all there, right? So we can go back here, put an image down there, and you just choose your other image, screenshot. You can start over or whatever. Not a big deal. I don't know where my image went. I'm so confused right now. But to be safe, I may delete this to be safe and just redo this and then do a show button. So add show button, and then we have that there. And then I'm going to bring, I think that should be enough room. We can preview it, see how it works. Show, hide. We've completely broken the tool. But you guys get the point, right? Just get an image on there, show hide it, make sure it has a show hide button, and then, yeah, in a perfect world, it works. So, oh, that's why. You got to cover it up. So here we go. Back over here. Show, hide, show, hide. It's so bad. All right. Well, you get it, guys, right? You get it. You get how it works, and you go hide this, and you print it or whatever. So that's kind of the point of show hide. I hope that helps you. I say watch the next video. Tons of data analytic videos on this channel. That's going to be the focus. So yeah, you better watch those videos.